Bienvenidos a mi canal. I will be reviewing this gorgeous unit from Gorgius. Came with this HD wig cap and an edge brush. It also has a bag that you could store this unit with. This is a 12 inches closure wig. It is actually a synthetic and fiber mix. It has a breathable cap, multiple adjustment straps, and a clip at the back for a secure fit. Easy to wear and it's quite comfortable. It does shed, but little to no shedding at all. I love how you could just throw this on your head and go about your day or whatever event it is you want to rock it with.
Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good.
You look gorgeous in this unit. Let me know what you think about this hair. Please rate this hair out of a 10 in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you'd like to have this unit. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next video. Ciao.
I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one. Let me be the give one you everything you want and need. Everything baby, you good need. Love and protection. Should everything make me your selection? Will you show you what love's supposed to be? Baby, you should let me love.